So this is the dish that we made for tonight. It's chicken and rice. The hardest part about this dish, it's a little more complicated than the spaghetti and spinach, but the hardest part about this dish is cooking the rice, if you're not familiar with that. And I love white rice. I could just eat this the way it is. I'm not ashamed to put anything on it. This is a chicken and cheese sauce. I basically boiled a chicken breast, shredded it, made a cheese sauce, and I won't give you the recipe on that because it's kind of a secret. Plus you can just use whatever cheese sauce you know how to make. But your best friend with this is going to be oregano. Oregano. So that's your best friend with that. Try to dish some of this up. What a lot of people will do is they'll just mix those together and call that chicken and rice. But I wouldn't do that if you were like serving a dinner party or something, because I think that's kind of tacky. So take you a little rice. Some of the chicken cheese sauce. Put it right on top, like that. So it's just not all mushed together. And you could do that after you serve your guests and you have leftovers. Then you can mix it together, and then you can put it in containers and freeze it for leftovers. And it's got a little bit of salt and pepper in there, but I would take just a pinch. Just a pinch to garnish it. Get your favorite fork out. And I love this white rice, especially with salt and pepper on it. Oh man, I just love the rice by itself. And then when you get up in here and do some of that chicken and sauce, your guests will just flip out. They will want to come back and eat at your house every day. Damn, that's good. And that's my chicken and rice.